It's 6:30 something a.m. I am all packed and headed to the train station to Ibadan for Black Dave and Friends Quarry Edition. Station right now in the waiting room, waiting for the train to be here. It's crazy how the first time we did this, it wasn't like a big of a deal, but now so many people are asking, and I assume that's the reason why they did it again. They don't pass me American on news. See me see wala. See me see wala. You can see around me, we're at the gorgeous location. Like, look at this place. It is so pretty and so beautiful. And now it's time for me to set up my tent. I also love being early because now I'm just gonna have my tent set up. Birds! Oh my god, they're chirping! The birds are chirping. Okay, I need to set up my tent. It's so interesting seeing people set up like the lights and stuff, and I am just here with my tent. I always feel awkward. I always feel damn awkward. My awkwardness is not going to allow me to succeed, so I gotta push through the awkwardness and yeah. Ready. Waterside living. It is all set up, guys. I'm like legit the first person here, and I have no problem with that. I want to remove my pants and wear my shorts. I think that's what I'm gonna do to just help out because I'm wearing black pants. Look at my view, guys. Look at this fucking view. So grateful to be able to live like this and to see this fucking view. Like, look at this. Taking a walk around the grounds, the quarry grounds, and like, this place is so huge. I want you to see, like, all the way down there, all the way down is where we're doing the rave. And like, you can't actually see where we're doing the rave from here. That's how huge this place is. Look at how gorgeous it is. Hey, Super Dad.
Hey, Waguzi.
2 hours later.
I feel like I look an absolute mess, but I am about to fix that with some makeup and some skincare. I have been asleep in my tent. I've gotten my tag. The music has started. People are here. You know, it's gearing up. Things are starting. I gotta start putting on my bug protection. There's so many bugs here. So I got these wipes and I got Oddmost as well.
5 minutes later.
Really nice. I had a game on the 20th.
I dance and I swim. That's my thing.
Oh, that's where you will not catch me now.
And I fuck.
Shit.
Oh, I swim, baby. Oh, I love my makeup.
It's so good. Well done.
bathroom of of Black Diva and Friends, and it's so cool. There's AC. There's AC. It's so nice. Like we're just.
There's lights.
I feel like just staying here. Well, of course we can't just stay here, but yeah. Of the after party right now. As you can see behind me, tents are set up. I am starving. I need to eat something. So I want to go inside and see if the kitchen is open. By the way, YouTube, I'm wearing a tube top. Please do not demonetize me. So I want to go inside, see if I can get something to eat. Maybe dance a little bit, but I'm tired. I'm exhausted. So my night is slowly coming to an end.
Many hours later.
Here at the Ibadan station, about to leave. Ibadan, you showed me a good time. Thank you so much. I still have makeup on from last night. Yeah, I am so happy. I had so much fun. It was a great time. Thank you, Black Dave and team, for having me along, inviting me along, bringing me along. I really, really appreciate it. I had such a good time. Right now, I'm thinking, what do I eat once I get back to Lagos? Is it pepper soup? Is it spicy indomie? Or is it shawarma? Decisions.
Passengers should remember to take their personal belongings with them and also not be responsible for luggage loss. Please mind your step as you disembark the train. Mind the gap between the train and the platform. Thank you for choosing Nigeria Airways. Ladies and gentlemen, kindly take note that once the train arrives at Mobolaji Johnson train station, it will stop for 7 minutes before proceeding to the workshop for maintenance. Once the train arrives at Mobolaji Johnson train station, it will stop for 7 minutes before proceeding to the workshop for maintenance. Thank you.